If you want to enhance your security by removing all devices from your Robinhood account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tab on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your security options. Step 3. Access Security Settings. Scroll down and select the security option within the settings menu. This section contains all the security-related features for your account. Step 4. View Authorized Devices. In the security settings, look for an option that says Authorized Devices or Managed Devices. This will show you a list of devices that are currently authorized to access your account. Step 5. Remove all devices. Select the device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to unauthorize it. Confirm your choice to ensure the device is no longer linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove all devices from your Robinhood account, helping to keep your investments secure.